Troubleshooting your air hydraulic jack. For troubleshooting, it's a good idea to use a test bench. Make sure you have the right pressure, 8.5 to 12 bar, 125 to 175 psi. If the jack has a slightly sluggish lift, the filter in the control valve may be clogged and has to be replaced. The large piston rod should be able to lift 25 tons and the smaller one 10 tons. If this is not the case, it is highly likely that the air motor is defective or that the jack's safety valve needs to be adjusted. Also remember that air supply and air pressure must be sufficient. It can also be due to broken air hoses under the jack. If max lifting height cannot be reached, it's probably due to oil shortage. If the cylinder seals are leaking oil, it might be due to rust or general wear and tear. Typically, this means that the seals and possibly also cylinder parts need to be replaced. If oil is leaking from under the jack, typically the seals in the air motor's packing box have to be replaced. If oil is also leaking from the handle of the jack, typically the cylinder seals need to be replaced. Pressure loss is normally caused by a fault in the pump, which must therefore be replaced.